Personal safety alarms. The SABRE personal alarm keychain is a crucial safety tool for women, emitting a loud alarm when activated. Its compact design allows discreet carrying, offering a sense of security and empowerment in potentially threatening situations. The alarm's attention-grabbing sound serves as a deterrent to attackers and provides valuable moments for seeking help or escaping, enhancing personal safety. Smart jewelry, Safer Smart Pendant. Smart jewelry, such as the Safer Smart Pendant, is a fusion of fashion and technology, specifically designed to enhance personal safety. These pieces of jewelry often incorporate various innovative features like discreet distress signaling, GPS tracking, emergency alerts to selected contacts or authorities, and sometimes even audio/video recording capabilities. Their seamless integration of technology into stylish accessories empowers individuals, especially women, to feel more secure and connected while maintaining a fashionable appearance. These devices discreetly offer peace of mind, serving as a proactive safety measure in uncertain or potentially risky situations. Pepper spray. SABRE pepper spray. The SABRE pepper spray is a compact and potent self-defense tool designed to provide women with a means of protection. Its high-strength formula, when sprayed on an attacker, causes severe irritation to the eyes, skin, and respiratory system, creating a temporary incapacitation. Its compact size allows for easy carrying in a pocket or purse, ensuring quick access in case of emergencies. Pepper spray, like SABRE, serves as a non-lethal option for self-defense, offering individuals, including women, a means to deter attackers and create a window of opportunity to escape potentially dangerous situations. Taser Device's Taser Pulse Plus. Taser Pulse Plus is a type of taser device designed for personal self-defense. It provides an effective, non-lethal means of protection for women and individuals concerned about their safety. When deployed, it delivers an electric shock that temporarily disrupts the attacker's neuromuscular system, causing involuntary muscle contractions and incapacitation. The Taser Pulse Plus is compact, allowing for discreet carrying, and it includes safety features to prevent accidental discharge. This device offers a safer distance between the user and the threat, providing an opportunity to escape from a dangerous situation while reducing the risk of physical harm to oneself or others. Flare Smart Bracelet, Nimb Smart Ring. The Flare Smart Bracelet and Nimb Smart Ring are innovative wearable devices designed to enhance women's safety by discreetly offering a means to seek help in emergency situations. The Flare Smart Bracelet is a wearable safety device that, when activated, sends an alert to selected contacts or emergency services. It integrates seamlessly into everyday wear, resembling a stylish accessory, but equipped with a discreet distress signaling feature. The Flare Smart Bracelet and Nimb Smart Ring are innovative wearable devices designed to enhance women's safety by discreetly offering a means to seek help in emergency situations. The Vigilant 130 dB personal alarm, designed as a keychain attachment, serves as a potent safety device for women. Emitting a loud alarm when activated, it serves as an attention-grabbing deterrent to potential attackers. Its compact design enables easy carrying, making it readily accessible in case of emergencies without drawing unwanted attention. The 130 dB sound intensity is specifically designed to startle and attract help, providing individuals, especially women, with a vital tool to create a diversion, seek assistance, or fend off an assailant in threatening situations, thereby enhancing personal safety. Door and window alarms, such as the GEA personal security alarms, play a crucial role in enhancing women's safety by providing an added layer of protection to their homes. These devices serve as a deterrent to potential intruders or unwanted visitors. When installed on doors or windows, they emit a loud alarm when triggered, alerting occupants and potentially scaring off intruders. For women living alone or in vulnerable areas, these alarms offer peace of mind, especially during nighttime or when alone at home. They act as an early warning system, allowing individuals to take necessary precautions, call for help, or seek safety, empowering women to feel more secure within their residences and deterring potential threats before they escalate. Emergency whistles. The Shoreline Marine Emergency Survival Whistle serves as a simple yet effective safety tool for women. Emitting a loud and piercing sound when blown, this whistle is an attention-grabbing device that can be utilized to signal for help in distressing situations. Its compact size allows for easy carrying, providing women with a discreet yet powerful means to attract attention and deter potential threats. This type of emergency whistle is particularly useful for outdoor activities, solo travel, or situations where other forms of communication might be limited or compromised. By offering a quick and audible alert, this whistle empowers women to draw attention to their location swiftly, enhancing their safety by increasing the chances of receiving assistance in emergencies.